Hiding your online status on Wise can help maintain your privacy while using the platform. Follow these steps to adjust your settings accordingly. Step 1. Open the Wise app. Launch the Wise application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Locate the Settings menu, usually represented by gear icon. Tap on it to enter the Settings section of the app. Step 3. Find Privacy Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for the Privacy Settings option. This section allows you to manage who can see your online status and other personal information. Step 4. Adjust online status visibility. In the Privacy settings, find the option related to online status. Toggle the setting to hide your online status from other users. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your online status visibility, make sure to save your changes. Exit the Settings menu and return to the main interface of the app. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on Wise, enhancing your privacy while using the service.